Good morning, y'all. So I'm rushing right now, so we gotta hurry up and get up out of here. I look crazy. I gotta do my hair and stuff, but we gotta go get our nails done, our toes done, get our maintenance shit out the way, and we'll be back. I look crazy, y'all, but I had to stop. Ooh. I had to stop and get my homegirl some hair. She's at work right now, and she don't get off till later. So I was doing her a favor and coming to pick up some hair for her. And I gotta make one more stop, and then we're on our way to the nail shop, okay?
Ồ, freestyle muốn làm gì làm. Mà em chưa lựa mẫu nữa, quên nhắc nhớ.
Rồi nó nói nó vô thì nó ủa Trung mới làm mà.
Không mà nó vô làm tay thôi chứ đâu làm chân đâu.
Nó nói làm chân nữa.
Vậy hả?
Trung mới làm mà nó kêu ủa vô làm nữa.
Oh, sorry, go ahead. I'm just getting it. Oh my god, LOL. So bad. What's up, y'all? So I finally got my nails and stuff done. Oh, I had to scratch right here. But anyways, I got my nails done, y'all. I really want to do my lashes. I know in my last video I had told you I had bought them cluster lashes from TikTok that went like viral. So I really want to try those out. I'm about to show y'all. Hold on. Oh, I need to put my blanket in the dryer. Y'all, I'm looking dirty. But y'all, look. These are the ones that's on TikTok. And they went viral. Y'all know I need some fucking lashes on, okay? My lash tech is out of town. So I'm going to have to make it do what it do for right now. But I never used these before, so we're going to try them together, y'all. I got to look at some videos to see how you can put them on there. I'm waiting for my seafood order. I'm gonna get busy. I mean, wait, I think I said I already did my hair. But I just got back from Juicy Crab. I usually don't really like Juicy Crab. It'd be too fucking salty. I be doing what is that shit called? I probably need a shorter one because y'all probably not gonna be able to see this. Damn. I really was gonna go to Captain Louis, y'all, but the wait was so long. So that's what I got. It's my receipt. I didn't get nothing too crazy. I just got like a basic seafood boil with a half-pound of shrimp, potato, and corn. I also got me some steamed rice. But y'all, I'm gonna have to put this down a little bit because it's too high. Hold on. What is this? Oh. Don't need this because y'all, I feel like this fucking bib don't be working. You're gonna get messy regardless. It's seafood. But yeah, y'all, hopefully this shit ain't salty. Usually I'll get like the juicy special sauce and I'll get like the medium spice level. But this time I got garlic butter. Oh, this is my steamed rice, y'all. When I go to Captain Louis, I usually just get the garlic noodles. Fire as fuck. This is gonna go right here. And then I get the shrimp with no head, obviously, because those be the best ones. This better be good. This one good. Real bad. So y'all, I'll go in there and get some of my juice. I know this ain't shit new to y'all, but that's how I like to eat my rice, y'all. And I be drowning my shit. It's good. But today's Wednesday, y'all, and I've been doing good. I've been vlogging. I vlogged getting my nails done yesterday. I vlogged going to pick up my homegirl some hair. She was at work, so she was at work. She needed some hair, but she couldn't make it. Where's my cup at? My mouth burning. It's my cup, and I got this from some store called Rainbow, y'all. They be selling like cute cups, so I be going in there. It's like a little clothing store. I used to shop at when I was young, super young. So good. Five. Okay, so y'all, first of all, why am I suspended from work? I'm gonna let y'all guess. Tell me in the comments why I got suspended from work. What was that? Anyways, tell me in the comments why y'all think I got suspended from work. And then if y'all get it right, I gotta do a story time. Y'all don't get it right, no story time. This shit is so good, y'all. It's crazy because they shit really do be mad salty. So I was thinking like, damn, if I just pick garlic butter, maybe it won't be as salty. And it's not. I hope I'm not smacking. So good. Stuff I've been doing to like help myself stay on track. I literally get my nose is running. I usually get my book, my planner, or my journal, and I write down all my to-do lists. I write a to-do list and I literally check it every morning, and then I check off shit. That's been helping me a lot. I wish I was doing that before, but it's okay because it ain't too late. This shit is hot. Like, I'm really trying to like lose like 20 pounds, y'all. I know it probably sounds like a lot to y'all, but y'all been following me for a long time. Y'all know the weight I am now, I'm actually thicker. I'm thick now. I gained 20 pounds. So, 20 pounds bigger than my regular weight. So, I want to drop that weight because I feel like the weight I did gain, I gained it in the top area. And I just feel like my height will make you look fat when you reach a certain weight, if that makes sense. Like my regular weight is like 140, 145. So me being 170 is fat, okay? I mean, I feel too heavy. So, yeah. Definitely working on that. Let's try this potato. I'll be having to break mine and do it like that. It's good. I hope I'm not smacking y'all. Today's Wednesday. I was actually supposed to do a sip and spill today. No. I was supposed to do Wind Down Wednesday here. It's hot, but it's good. I'm hoping I can add a little bit of music in the background. I don't know if y'all like these type of videos quiet, or I mean not quiet, but with sound or music over it. And y'all, this is water, okay? This shit is good. I should have got my little brother some. Well, he don't like that shit either. He think that stuff be too salty. But he's gotta try this one this time. Next time he tries that. Mouth is burning. It's so hot. And I probably should have ate this earlier, y'all, because whew, this shit gonna have me mad below that. But I'm actually gonna go to the gym today after I'm done. One more shrimp to go.